Start. The new book of essays by a member of the government contains some very worthy sayings. A person of character is incapable of a mean action and is able to govern himself under all circumstances. Stop. We cannot be wise men unless we familiarize ourselves and sympathize with human nature. Stop. Our familiarization with new scenes and new peoples shows us the insufficiency of our education. Stop. In the immediate future, we expect to see the author at the head of the cabinet. Stop. Para. In dealing with the charge against the prisoner, the Metropolitan Magistrate passed the maximum sentence after a close cross examination of the offender and after several witnesses had been cross examined, and despite the fact that the prisoner's action had been governed by financial troubles over which he had no control. Stop. The magistrate is a man of wide tastes and is one of the prime movers in our agricultural show, and he is regarded as an authority on most matters relating to the land. Stop. His model form is a splendid example of scientific farming, and it is a source of amazement to the farmers in the district, who are mostly satisfied with seeking for the best results by empirical methods. Stop.